Hi guys, went to Wilko today and bought this tape. So I thought I'd film this little section of the video now while I remember it, and then include it in a later video when I actually make use of this tape. This is what I would call self-amalgamating tape. It's a rubber tape with a plastic cover on it. As you use it, you pull the plastic cover off and you stretch the rubber tape over itself. You wrap it round, for example, as it says here, for pipes and joints. You'd wrap it round a join in some pipe, and as you wrap it round, you pull it tight, and it actually sticks to itself. In fact, it does more than stick to itself. It amalgamates with itself. You can't get it apart once you've wrapped it up. I know it as tape self-amalgamating. That's what it used to be called when I was at work many years ago. It's not cheap. It cost me £5 for 5 meters, so that's £1 a meter. But it's the sort of thing I now use for giving plastic wheels a rubber tyre to help them grip on toy cars. I have done videos of that in the past. At this moment in time, I have no use for it, but I haven't seen it in the shops. This was the first time I noticed it, so I thought I'd buy some. And as I say, at some time in the future, I'll do a video where I make use of it. Hi guys. A bit of a diversion from the project I'm working on. Working on this little project, make this Poundland friction powered car, make it hobby grade. So downloaded this file off of the internet and Thingiverse, modified it so it fits the body shell, but I need some rubber tyres, the right size, Tamiya 2588 or something, which I've had a quick look online, and they're about £15 or something, plus postage, so I'm not paying that. I've printed some PLA tyres, so obviously they're rigid, but they will fit on there. So I'm going to try this tape. Now I'm hoping it's what I've used in the past. I'm looking at it, it looks a bit thicker. I know it as tape self-amalgamating. It's rubber tape that when you stretch it and wrap it on itself, it bonds to itself. It actually creates an amalgamation. It actually fixes to itself. You can't ever get it apart again. The only way you can get it apart is to cut it. You can't just unpeel it like you'd normally unpeel normal tape. It has a plastic cover on it, and then that underneath is the actual tape. Feels a bit sticky to the touch, and it should, if I stretch it, stick to itself around here. We'll give it a try. Nothing ventured, nothing gained, as they say. You actually need to stretch it a bit to get it on there anyway. And we only need maximum of 2 layers, just so it goes all the way around and sticks to itself. Lost track of where I started. I'll probably end up with a slightly bumpy tyre. In fact, the trick is to stretch it till it snaps, and then it seals to itself. Right, that's on there. I'll trim off the outside layer, and we'll see if that works as a rubber tyre. Oh, most important thing is, will that fit into that gap? Maybe. Right, sharp knife. This looks like it's slightly different stuff to the stuff that I'm used to using, but it appears to be working more or less in the same way. I don't think I pulled that quite as tight as I should have done. It's on there. So that's our rubber tyre. Yes, that is going to fit on there. That's going to be very close. Yeah, that's a bit bigger than I wanted it to be. I really haven't got any clearance there. It might wear down, it might loosen up. Let's just try that with a battery. And it's working. I haven't put any glue on there. I was going to put glue on there to hold it in place. Alright, well that looks like that might work. I'll do that with the other 3 tyres. And then we'll have rubber tyres on our car. I'll just do that again, because I found it's easier just to go straight on the middle. I was trying to do it off to one side because it was oversized. But I'm doing it straight down the middle now, and it's gripping around the sides nicely. I'll still trim it, I think. Alright, and that time I stretched it to break it rather than cut it. Yeah, I wonder if I can leave that without trimming the edges. I need to trim that bit off because that's going to be in the way. Yeah, I might try it like that. This is not the proper fix. But it'll be good enough to get us running. Did I just do that off screen? I wasn't looking at my camera. Alright, just in case I got it totally wrong, we'll do the last one. Just check that actually fits. Yeah, that'll fit. So stretch it. And then stretch it until it breaks. There we go. And put that one on. There. Right, okay, so we got rubber tyres on our wheels. Bit of a temporary stopgap. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.